We'll now head down the 400 hallway. This is just south of the library. Our first stop is at General Music. In 6th grade General Music, we study basic music theory, we study rhythm and the music industry. The students also learn the names of notes for the treble and bass clef. After we master these, we start learning how to play the piano in our MIE, that is Music and Education lab. The students then get to explore their creative side by studying and creating their own parodies. Across the hall is the creative writing class. The creative writing class gives students an opportunity to explore and experiment with a variety of writing genres and strategies. This class is completely technology-driven. Students complete assignments and projects using different apps on their iPads. Way down at the end of the 400 hallway is the Industrial Technology classroom. Technology Education 6, or Tech Ed 6, is a diverse classroom in which students will complete 3 of 10 modules. These modules are designed around the topic of environmentally friendly practices, including topics such as carbon footprint, sustainable agriculture, and mission to Mars. The students will complete daily hands-on activities and will work with partners to help share the learning experience.